we have done the mega session. 4,000 grafts was planted in the recipient area. And now let's have a look. Graft care after the smart FUE procedure from day 1 to day 7 is very crucial to maximize the survival rate of the graft. It will shape from 2 weeks to 3 months. It will regrow again on the 3rd month, 4th month, 5th month, 6th month. That's why we will able to see the density is going to get more and more. Then he will reach to the optimum hair growth on the 9 months to a year.